My dear students, today I am going to explain you 20 questions in physics. First question is, a body is projected such that its kinetic energy at the top is 3/4 of its initial kinetic energy. What is the initial angle of projection of the projectile with the horizontal? The solution is initial kinetic energy equals to 1 by 2 mv square and kinetic energy at the top is equals to 1 by 2 mv square cos square theta. As we know that at highest point velocity of projectile equals to v cos theta. So when you will square it, it becomes v square cos square theta. Now therefore kinetic energy at the top by initial kinetic energy equals to 3 by 4. It is given to us. This implies 1 by 2 mv square cos square theta by 1 by 2 mv square, that is equals to 3 by 4, and here 1 by 2 mv square in the numerator and in the denominator both are being cancelled, and then we are left with cos square theta equals to 3 by 4. This implies cos theta equals to square root of 3 by 4, that is equals to root 3 by 2. This implies cos theta equals to, and you know, in cos 30 degree it is root 3 by 2, so in place of root 3 by 2 we are writing cos 30 degree, and cos cancel, therefore theta equals to 30 degree. So we can say that initial angle of projection of the projectile is equals to theta, that is equals to 30 degree. This is the answer. Now the second question is, a horizontal force of 1.2 kilogram is applied on a 1.5 kg block which rests on a horizontal surface. If the coefficient of friction is 0.3, find the acceleration produced in the block. The solution is, we know that when a body is at rest or it is at the verge of moving horizontally over the surface of the other body, F equals to P, that is equals to applied force, and that is equals to 1.2 kg, and that is equals to 1.2 into 9.8 Newton. Mass equals to M equals to 1.5 kilogram. Sorry. Coefficient of friction equals to mu equals to 0.3, it is given. Acceleration equals to A equals to what we have to calculate. Now force of friction equals to F equals to mu R. That means coefficient of friction into R. That is equals to mu mg. And that is equals to 0.3 into 1.5 into 9.8 Newton. That is equals to, if you multiply 0.3 into 1.5, you get 0.45 into 9.8 Newton. Now force that produces acceleration equals to F equals to P minus F. And that is equals to 1.2 into 9.8 minus 0.45 into 9.8 is equals to 9.8 is taken common. Then in the bracket it is left 1.2 minus 0.45. And that is equals to 9.8 into, after subtracting you get 0.75 Newton. Therefore acceleration is equals to A equals to F by M, force by mass, equals to 9.8 into 0.75 by 1.5. Here it is being cancelled, 15 5 is 75, so it is 0.5 in the numerator. So 9.8 into 0.5, and that is equals to 4.9 meter per second square. This is the answer. This is the acceleration. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.